and welcome to the Math League YouTube channel. The following video was recorded by one of our staff members live at one of our contests.
Hello, this is Taiki, and I'm going to present sprint number 27. Among the numbers in the answer choices, which is the second greatest? So we notice that these all have different exponents and different bases, so it could be pretty hard to compare, but we note some trends in the exponents, which allow us to convert them into as such. Note that it becomes clear that A is greater than B because 128 is greater than 125, and B is greater than E because 125 is greater than 121. And then C is also greater than D because 10 is greater than 9, and these are raised to the same exponents. Thus, we have C is greater than D, A is greater than B, which is greater than E. Next, we will compare A and C, and we get this, which means that A is greater than C. So A is greater than C. Now we want to compare C and B. And to do so, we note that 10 to the 21 is equal to 2 to the 21 times 5 to the 21. Now, because these are probably difficult to compare, we will divide the values of B and C by 5 to the 21. And this is what we result in. And then we can compare 5 to the 9 and 2 to the 21 as follows. And since 128 is greater than 125 and they're raised to the same exponent, then 2 to the 21 is greater than 5 to the 9. So that means that multiplying back by 5 to the 21, the value of C is greater than the value of B. This means that C is greater than B, but from here we see that B is greater than E, so C is greater than B and E, and it's also greater than D. And since A is greater than C and it's the only one greater than C, then that means that C is the second greatest. So we circle C.
Hi everybody, this is Tim. Hope you're enjoying our videos. If so, you know what to do: like, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that sort of thing. But what I'd really want to invite you to do is to send us an email at media@mathleague.org. Tell us which problems you'd like to see us cover next in our video series. Take care and see you in the next video.